Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can escape from prison in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm using screenshots since I'm doing this to save my memory on my drive and so that I can upload it easier afterwards. This is even better than me actually recording gameplay since I wouldn't be able to record everything without editing, so please excuse the screenshots. These are not my screenshots too, by the way, but they will do. As you can see, this is a picture of a prison cell from the outside. If you actually landed in jail because of a huge bounty, you will be within this room, stripped of all your gear, and you will have the option to either wait out your sentence, which I honestly recommend. It's not that big of a penalty, by just sleeping, or you can try and break out. What that requires is either a key or a lockpick, and most of the time you will enter these cells with a lockpick or with a body next to you which does have a lockpick, so just loot that and unlock the door. However, if you need an actual key, this works for everything except for Markarth, by the way, since that is a quest line separately. But yeah, find a lockpick, or if you need a key, you can pickpocket a guard if he comes close enough to the door, and once you lockpick it, you will need to sneak out. However, make sure while you're actually sneaking out to find the prisoner belongings chest within the jail. Here, all your inventory pretty much is in this chest, so just make sure to find that and loot it to get your gear back. Once you actually escape, you'll need to escape town, which is a bit tricky without actually alarming the guards. However, if you do succeed, you can even aggro them, I think, and just run away, and it's going to be the same as doing it stealthily. But yeah, just escape town and wait for 3 days for the bounty to pretty much subside, and you can return pretty much without penalty. Only if guards see you, they will start the whole "hey, I know you" speech. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.